Hi friends, this is Narayana from Narayana Techos Training Institute. Actually, there are some students from non-IT background. They ask me one question. That is, sir, my BTech, my power in a civil background, or mechanical background, or triple E background. Some students ask me multiple times, they have some non-IT qualification, like B Pharmacy or MBA or chemistry or microbiology, right? So now these all people they want to get into the IT field. So now the doubt is, as an IT candidate, can I go to the IT field or not? Right? Actually, before lockdown, it's very difficult to get a job as an IT student. At that time, there are three main factors are there. One is first qualification, then percentage, and pass out year. So before lockdown, the qualification must be either BTech or MTech or MCA in most cases. And then the percentage must be minimum 60, and some companies expect 70, 80 also. And then pass out year means as a fresher won't last 2 years only. This is what happened before lockdown. And then next priority, knowledge also is also very important to get a job as a fresher, right? But after lockdown, lot of things changed. Lot of procedure changed in the IT field. So right now, after lockdown, to get the IT job, the main factor is only knowledge. The knowledge on our skill, like maybe Python or Java, whatever it is. Nowadays, the companies not worry about our qualification, pass out year, percentages. Only candidates who has a good knowledge in the corresponding subject. The person must have more thinking knowledge, more analysis knowledge. That's enough to get the IT job nowadays. So don't worry about our qualification, because now we can't change the qualification, right? So don't worry about it. Just be confident and practice more. Okay, so then we get the job. Recently, there are some students from our institute. They placed in IT company, right? So they are from non-IT background. Plus, they have long career gap also, like 6 years career gap, 7 years career gap. Or some students from civil background, triple background, right? They also got placed in the IT companies. Now I show you those pictures. Right, guys. Now I'm going to show you some students who got placed in one of the best company, that is in a Redcom group. Okay, let's see one by one. See, the first student name is Anita, and she is from which background? Chemistry background. Which background? Chemistry background. This placement was done in 2023, guys. In 2023, maybe in Jan, like that, Jan month. Okay, right. So the first student name is Anita, and she is from which background? Chemistry background. That means non-IT student, right? Non-IT student. Okay. And next one, let's observe here. One more student is there. She is from civil background. At the same time, see the pass out 2015 is there, right? So 15, but they got placed 2023. So how many years the gap is there? 8 years gap is there, right? 8 years gap is there. I'll have observed now clearly. Next one, she is MPC, and you can see the gap. How much gap is there here? 4 years gap is there, right? 4 years gap is there, guys. Okay, 4 years gap. And next one, she is from BTech CSE only, but see the pass out year, 2016, right? Means how many years? 9 years gap is there, right? So 9 years gap here, and here 4 years gap, right? And here 8 years gap, right? 8 years gap is there. Okay, and okay, these two girls freshers one, right? Okay, 2022, no problem. And here coming down, NIT background again, triple E, and 2017 means here also how many years now? 6 years gap is there, right? 6 years gap is there here. And BSc math, BS MPC, right? And how many years gap here? Here also 5 years gap is there. 5 years gap is there, and she has 2 years only. And again here you can see now civil background and 22 pass out, right? So out of these 9 students, so there are three students, four students from non-IT background, right? So one and here two, okay, and three and four. These four students from non-IT background and almost all having a long gap, guys. 8 years gap or 9 years gap or 6 years gap, all of right. So that's why what I'm saying here, don't worry if you have long gap, career gap, or if you have non-IT background, don't worry. All get the job in IT field nowadays. The only thing is we must have the good knowledge. We must have the very good knowledge about our subject. These nine students are having excellent knowledge. That's why, irrespective of their qualification, irrespective of their possibility year, all got placed in the companies. Right? So like this, lot of students are there. Lot of students are there in our institute. I hope guys you have seen now the students who got the job from non-IT field, right? So I think you understood now the situation. So don't worry about your qualification, password, your percentage. Just what you learn the subject, practice very well, and wait for the chance and get the job. Thank you so much.